Did you know that if you're in your 40s and you've been dealing with chronic fatigue syndrome, sometimes even simple daily tasks can feel overwhelming? While there is no magic cure for CFS, what you put into your body every day can play a powerful role in supporting your overall wellness, energy level, and recovery. Today, I am sharing 6 nutrient-dense juice recipes for daily energy support made with simple ingredients like kale, pineapple, sweet potato, carrots, ginger, and coconut water. These recipes are designed to provide natural nutrition support, help reduce inflammation, support healthy juicing habits for people looking to improve their wellness and fatigue management. Let's go!
Stay juicy.
What's up, Tonic Nation? This is Donnie from Tonics for Life. Many people with syndrome, also known as CFS, struggle with persistent exhaustion, brain fog, low stamina, and poor recovery. One challenge is getting enough nutrients consistently throughout the day. That's where fresh vegetable can be helpful. Juicing allows you to consume a concentrated source of vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and phytonutrients that support overall health. Ingredients like kale, carrots, sweet potatoes, pineapple, ginger, and coconut water provide nutrients that support energy production, hydration, and inflammation management. So now remember, juicing should be a part of balanced healthy lifestyle with CFS, not a replacement for medical care. Now let's get into the recipe. First is kale, the micronutrient anchor. Kale brings vitamin K, vitamin C, folate, and minerals like magnesium and potassium. Think of it as the nutrient density ingredient. After 40, getting enough micronutrients consistently matters more than just taking stimulants. If you are looking for the best ingredients for chronic fatigue syndrome, kale deserves a place near the top of the list. Next is pineapple, the hydration plus bromelain. Pineapple adds fluids, potassium, vitamin C, and bromelain, an enzyme associated with protein digestion and studied for its anti-inflammatory potential. Many individuals focused on wellness and fatigue management prioritize foods and that support a healthy inflammatory response. Next is sweet potato, the steady energy support. Sweet potato contributes complex carbohydrates, potassium, and beta carotene. Compared with starting the day with only caffeine, it provides actual fuel rather than just stimulation. Now going down to carotenoids and blood sugar friendly bulk. Carrots add beta carotene and modest amount of natural sweet. They pair well with sweet potato to make the juice easier to stick with long term. Now next is ginger, the anti-inflammatory accelerator. Ginger contains gingerol and other bioactive compounds linked to anti-inflammatory effects and digestive support. Now here are all the recipes. You can write it down or save this video. 2 packs cup kale, 1 cup pineapple chunks, 1/2 sweet potato, peeled and chopped, 2 medium carrots, 1 inch fresh ginger, and 1/2 cup of unsweetened coconut water. So why this juicing works? This is an excellent morning juice for anyone practicing juice for energy and daily wellness support. It's packed with vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, hydration, supportive electrolyte, and plant nutrients. For many people looking for natural nutrition support, it is one of the most complete nutrient-dense juice recipe for supporting overall wellness and healthy energy level. Okay, so how to make it? Gather all your ingredients, of course. Put the kale, the sweet potato, carrots, ginger, and pineapple into your juicer. Then put the juice into a glass. Stir 1/2 cup of unsweetened coconut water. Electrolyte rehydration. Coconut water provides potassium and other electrolytes that help cells retain and use water more effectively. And remember, don't run the coconut water through the juicer. Drink it within a few minutes of making it. Best timing is first thing in the morning, before coffee if possible. If you still want caffeine, wait about 20 to 30 minutes after the juice. Alright, so before we wrap up, remember the healthy juicing habit. Use fresh ingredients whenever possible. Pair your juice with balanced meals and always stay hydrated. And of course, listen to your body on how your body reacts to this or responds to this ingredient. And always remember, consistency matters more than perfection. And tonics, if you're exploring ways to support your health while living with chronic fatigue syndrome, this simple juice recipe can be an easy addition to your wellness routine. And if you have any questions, let me know in your comments below. And if you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with someone who needs more natural energy support. Again, this is Donnie from Tonics for Life. And remember, if nature didn't made it, don't make it.